how to install April 14, 2026 update called KB5083769. Now, I've been having problems updating the security update, which is absolutely critical. So I've created a tutorial on Rankya blog. You can definitely check it out. In this video session, I'm going to show you how you can update this manually. Because if you try and update this manually and it still fails, that's because that update has two dependencies. So if we go here and select the 64-bit, as in select 25H2. Now, as we can see, if I close this, the update gives me these two here. So if I try and update the April 14 update, which is this, we can see that it has a dependency. What does that mean? That means I've tried to install this by itself, it wouldn't work. I've tried to install that, it didn't work either. So if you're facing that issue, here's what you can do. So I've got Windows 10 here, but on my laptop, as you can see, I managed to install the security update, which is absolutely critical. So I'll show you this command, right? So all you need to do, search for command prompt, CMD, right click, run as administrator on your Windows 11 operating system. Then simply run this command. But before you do that, you download both files, which are MSU files, and in your C drive simply create a folder and call it, let's anything you want, let's say updates. Now you know where that path is, which is here. So then let's do this. What we need to do, once you download them, place them within that folder. So once you download both files, let's say it will be this. Let's just create a dummy. Yes. So you'll have two files, as in two MSU files. One will be that, and the other one will be that. Okay? So now that's within that. So we can actually do something like this. Just remove the hashtags. They're usually used for security purposes, which I won't get into, right? So we've got two downloaded files for April 14, 2016 security update. Then once we're in the command prompt here, what we can do is this. I know I'm going fast, but this is my normal working speed. So now I can run both of them. Run the dependencies first, and then don't restart, and then run the second update. And then you press enter and let Windows update. Because if you're seeing this problem, then you can't install this particular security update, there could be many different reasons. So if you're trying to manually install the update and you're having problems, follow this step. And if that doesn't work, check out Rankya blog. Okay, where are we? Let's go back. Let's start. Let's look at this. Let's trash. Let's edit. Okay. Let's update. Sorry. Okay, so I'll update the URL, which is this one here, right? So in the blog section, if you search for this, you'll actually find so these two blog posts will help you to correctly update. Once again, this for manually updating, because in my scenario I had to reinstall Windows, and the reason for it is all detailed here, because that could be a quicker way. But if you follow that option, then you still need to read through the steps that's required for proper update. Okay, and if you found this video of use, please do share it, comment, like, subscribe to Rankya YouTube channel, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.